Hello. I think tonight what I'd like to do is to have the same story as yesterday, but we'll change it so that the bird says hello. To change it, we just need to be careful about the words that rhyme. Can you remember? Hop, 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 and stop, stop, stop. Those are the two words that rhyme in the first verse. And in the second verse, we say, how do you do? And away the bird flew. So do and flew, they rhyme. So if we keep that, we can change it so the little bird says hello. I once saw a little bird, and it went hop, hop, hop. I said, little bird, won't you stop, stop, stop? So I went to the window and I said, how do you do? And it wagged its tail and off it flew. So it was wagging its tail at me when I asked him, how do you do? That's much better than it flying away and not saying anything. There was once a bird, and it came hop, hop, hop. And I said, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I went to the window and said, how do you do? And the little bird wagged its tail and off it flew. Bye.